Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, we're gonna be heading over to a car meet, and I don't know if you guys remember the E36 M3 that I raced last year. If you guys don't remember, I'll cue the clip like right now. 3, 2, 1, go! As you guys just saw, last year when I raced the E36 M3, I was still on pump gas, no port injection. I was on a 61mm turbo and only pushing 20 pounds on this motor. So you guys know a lot has changed since then, and I know the E36 M3, a lot has changed too if you guys watch some of the videos. So it's gonna be an interesting race to see where we both stand at with each other this year. So we're gonna head out now. I'm gonna head to the car show, put some gas in, and I'll see you guys there.
Yes, sir. Four turbo. What do you say to feel? Is the NSX good? He's backing up. That's fucking Tiana. What are you saying, bro? It's good. How are you? Good to see you, man. Good to see you too. Dujo with the 2 spots. Is he gonna 2-step in?
Brother.
got him, but he pulled on. Lighter.